Hey mamas, in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Nadula Hair. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install this gorgeous wig. It is their 5x5 HD lace pre-cut closure unit in deep curly. It is in 24 inches and 150 density. It is also a breathable cap, and it is a wear and go wig, so literally glueless. If you want to, I could stick the comb in there. It's pretty wear and go, grab and go, take off, put on type of wig. So that is pretty much it. And if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a big cage now. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, cause you be tripping when you miss it. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do.
Alright you guys, so this is the gorgeous wig from Nadula Hair. We are pretty much dried down and this wig is absolutely stunning. They sent me their 5x5 HD pre-cut lace closure wig unit. It is a breathable cap. It is also a wear and go unit. So in this cap, I don't have the adjustable straps, but what I do have is a band like this pretty much. And all you have to do is tighten it. Like, you just pull this to tighten it like a bra strap. And honestly, this works. I rather this over sewing the band in, and some more or less what the adjustable straps, because now I get breathing room. If I want to go in and, you know, drop some oil in the back of my hair, I could do that. Like, it's just way better than having the adjustable straps, and you know, it's like so hard to like remove them, like not being able to see it and all. So this strap works for me. I can pull it, I can tighten it some more, I can loosen it up, and this is just way better. And it also has like little grippy things at the back, so it will stay stuck to your head, so you don't have to worry about throwing your head over or anything and your wig, you know, like coming up or anything like that. This unit is good to go on that. So let's jump into the review portion of this video. Nadula's wigs are always top tier. I've always loved Nadula curly units and their body wave units, but let's get into the curly. When it comes on to detangling, defining, it's always a breeze to work with. The hair is always soft, super soft. Like, I don't have any crunchiness. You're not hearing anything as I squeeze the hair. Like, it's perfect. It doesn't frizz up. Like, you don't get any type of super crazy flyaways going on thanks to my wax stick. But Nadula's hair is just good quality. The texture is everything. Like, are you guys seeing this? Good stuff. And so far I'm not having any tangling. Shedding is at an absolute minimum. I use 2 brushes and this is all the hair pretty much from the unit. So that is absolutely great that we're not getting too much shedding or any tangling whatsoever. And in terms of a smell, smells fine. It doesn't smell crazy. So if that's what you're worried about, look no further, because this is definitely it. And the price point for this unit is absolutely chef's kiss. Such a good price, super affordable, and they send a whole bunch of goodies in your box when you get the wig. So it's not only just the wig. You usually get like a lace band that says Nadula. You get the wig cap, the thin, ultra thin HD wig cap. Like, it's so many little things that you get goodies in your box, which is definitely another additional bang for your buck. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit, which I would highly recommend, don't forget to go ahead and check the links out in my description box if you'd like to do so. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.